All of us have skills that we can make use of them in the later time. Our topic is about Module 2 Transferable Skills. At the end of the short talks, you'll be able to explore transferable skills. Listen to the following short talks, and then after listening to the short talks, you will be asked to answer the questions on a sheet of paper that will be provided to you. Listen carefully.
When I ask students in class to tell me about some of their skills, there are always a couple of students, usually recent high school graduates or students with no work experience, who tell me that they have absolutely no useful employment skills. And you know what? That's absolutely impossible because everybody has transferable skills. The only reason that you might say that you don't have useful employment skills is because you're not sure how to identify your transferable skills. So in this short video tip, I'm going to tell you what transferable skills are, where you can get them, and also I'm going to give you some examples of some valuable transferable skills that companies are looking for today. Let's start with the definition. Transferable skills are skills that can be used when you're moving from one job to another or from one industry to another. They could be completely different industries. Maybe you're a student with no work experience. Maybe you're a recent graduate. Maybe you're changing jobs or your career. And so now, how do you develop your transferable skills? Where can you get them? Well, you can get them by volunteering, by participating in team sports, by completing school projects and assignments, by doing freelance or part-time work. I've even had some students tell me that they have military experience, and when they told me the types of skills that they developed in the military, I was surprised at the value of their transferable skills. And so now let's look at some examples of transferable skills that companies are looking for today. First, there are analytical and problem-solving skills. These are related because you need to have analytical skills so that you can analyze a problem before you can solve it. Next, there are interpersonal skills. These are skills related to dealing effectively with other people. They're especially important when you're working in teams or when you're working in groups. And I'm sure you can identify many times in your life where you worked in teams and in groups. There are also oral and written communication skills, and you can develop these through different hobbies and, of course, in school, college, and university. Then there are organizational and planning skills. If you're a parent, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. And of course, students need to use these skills every day to make sure that their assignments are handed in on time, that they arrive in class on time. Then there are time management skills. Of course, they're definitely related to organizational and planning skills. Then there are leadership and management skills. And last but not least, self-motivation skills. Because every day, every week, we have to do things that we don't want or don't like in order to be able to achieve some kind of goal. So what I'd like you to do is to sit down and identify the different experiences you've had in your life, or perhaps still have. And under each type of experience, list the skills that you have to use to be successful in that situation. And if you'd like, put your skills that you've identified in the comments section of this video, and I'll comment on them.
Well, you've heard a short talk about transferable skills. Like like what he said, whatever you have experienced on about, like for example, being a student, you volunteered or you did some on-the-job training while taking a summer in Sandy Bay, then you can apply that as a transferable skill. Like one of the examples is if you went to Island Falls after the training for summer training, you can apply that kind of experience or skills when you apply for a job at the SAS Power. Another job is working at the preschool. If you go there and help out, learn the jobs that they have there, that's going to be your skill. Another skills is like if you work at the band office, uh, learning things that you need to learn about there, that place. That's also a skill that you will gain that you can apply in the later time. So good luck. Um, the person in charge there is going to give you a sheet of paper that has lots of questions for you to answer. I will check them when I arrive. Have a good day.